to the LINmagination channel. I am so happy that you decided to click on this video. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of a 1-bedroom here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House with a standard view. So this is our first time staying in a 1-bedroom here at Jambo House. We're also gonna stay in a 1-bedroom at Kidani Village later during our trip. So stay tuned for that video, that way you can see the differences between the two rooms. Animal Kingdom Lodge is actually our very first Disney Vacation Club home resort. We became DVC members back in November 2013, and we've just had magical memories year after year. All right, so this is what you see when you first walk into the room. We are here in the full-size kitchen. So I love that we have full-size appliances like the dishwasher, a stove, a fridge with a freezer on the top. So let me open it up so you can get an idea of what kind of space you'll have when you stay here. They even provide some ice tray molds so you can make ice. And here's inside the fridge. I love the animal detailing on the tile here. We've got an elephant over there. We have Simba, a rhinoceros. Let's open up some of these cabinets. So we have plates, cups and bowls. There's your ice bucket. Lots of glassware. We have this fancy Cuisinart coffee machine with some Joffrey's coffee. Pots and pans. And under the sink, you'll find your trash can, a dish rack if you want to hand wash your dishes. And we also have soap, of course, and some dishwasher tablets. And then here's our recycling bin. All right, so here's another vantage point of the kitchen. And we have a closet here, and inside the closet is where you'll find your ironing board, as well as an iron and some extra bedding. Plenty of space in here, so we already have our luggage hiding in here while I create this content. And now let's move on to the living room. So we have a dining table here, nice and spacious. We have bench seating and then 2 chairs over here. Big TV, welcome home, Parawan family. And we also have the Mickey Mouse Alexa in here. We've got some drawer space here, so if you have other guests staying with you, they have space to put their belongings. We've got this large coffee table, a coffee table book. This talks about the Disney Conservation Fund. Ooh, that's a beautiful shot of the Tree of Life over at Animal Kingdom. Here's the couch. I believe this pulls into a queen size bed. There's a couch in the corner. And Sean just discovered that the couch in the corner actually pulls open to be like a single bed. So I think this room sleeps 5 people, right, honey? Pretty spacious. He got this all set up so you have a visual of what they look like. And unfortunately it's dark, so Lynn from the future will come back and show you what our view looks like. Again, we have a standard view. And here is another vantage point of the living room. All right, let's go down this hallway and check out the laundry facilities. You guys, I don't know if I can go back to regular studios anymore because this space is so nice. They provided us with 2 bottles of laundry detergent. And let me open this up so you can see what kind of space you're dealing with. I'd say you could fit like a medium-sized load in there. There's a laundry basket at the top, and right next to this closet is the bedroom. We've got this gigantic king-size bed, and we also have access to the villa from here. We've also got this writing desk here that we can catch up on work. And we have this dresser, another TV, and then we also have this closet. This extra bedding in there. We also have a luggage rack. I love that they have this zip tie type thing. That way you know that the contents in there are clean. We've got some hangers, and this is also where you'll find the safe. It's nice and spacious, so you can fit like your laptops or your camera equipment, your iPads, whatever in there. All right, fam, if you are enjoying this video, I hope you decide to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you're a DVC member where your home resort is, and if you're not a DVC member yet, let me know where your dream DVC resort is. All right, so let's take a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom is nice and spacious. It's in the hallway, so right next to the laundry closet, you'll have access to the bathroom. We have double vanities here. We have the famous Disney sea salt bath products here. So we've got body lotion, we've got a bath soap bar, towels, hair dryer, more toilet paper and tissue. And then here's the bathtub shower combo. Isn't that a beautiful mural of Lion King over there? Ooh, it's jetted tubs too. There's a shower head at the top. Oh, and then here is the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. We have some shelving over here for storage options. And then behind this door is a mirror. Hello. And then we have the commode in its own little room here. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of a 1-bedroom, and stay tuned for our Kidani Village 1-bedroom tour coming later. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Did you know there's 2 beds in here? I don't think she could see me from out here.
We don't have one of these at home. We have the, I don't know. Anyways.